Hey guys, today we're gonna make a raw chayote salad, una ensalada de chayote crudo, bien rica, con zanahoria, limón, aceite de oliva y sal. For this fresh chayote salad, you're gonna need chayote, olive oil, lemon, salt, and carrots. So first we're gonna wash all our veggies really well. Vamos a lavar todos los vegetales. We're going to peel our carrots, a pelar las zanahorias, a cortar las zanahorias. We're gonna cut our carrots. And we don't want to cut everything really thin because we don't want the salad to be mushy. We want it to have like a good crunchy texture. For those of you that have no idea what chayote is, I wrote a couple of facts. And I actually learned that chayote is actually a fruit, not a vegetable. I mean, you don't eat it like an apple, but it has a really particular taste and it's awesome in salads and caldos. So you're gonna cut the chayote in long slices. Vas a cortar el chayote en rebanadas largas y no vas a desperdiciar absolutamente nada. You're gonna not waste anything at all. We're gonna eat it all completely. Y ahora le vamos a agregar limones. And now we're gonna add some fresh lime juice. And we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Le agregamos sal y aceite de oliva. And then mix, a mezclar. Hope you try it, it's super delicious. Espero y la trates, está bien deliciosa.